Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to allocate more system RAM to Premiere Pro for faster previews. Restricting your background memory allocations forces Adobe to maximize its data processing pipeline, completely eliminating stuttering previews during complex timeline edits. First, launch Premiere Pro. Move your cursor to the top left corner of the application interface layout. Click Edit, hover down to Preferences, and click on Memory. Find the options line labeled RAM reserved for other applications. This number represents the amount of system memory stolen by background Windows software. Click directly inside the numerical input block next to that option and type the lowest possible number allowed by your system layout. This instantly drops your background reservation down to a tiny fraction, handing the rest over to Adobe. Check the adjacent metric label to ensure the RAM available for Premiere Pro line instantly scales up to your maximum physical hardware capability. Now, click the OK button to write the new memory allocation rules into the engine. Finally, close and relaunch Premiere Pro to fully purge your temporary scratch files and experience fluid, zero-lag preview tracking. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.